This 2020 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Wylie, Carmel Glazed Cherry interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, DVD player, stove-top burner, smoke detector, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, CO detector, slideout, external shower, air conditioning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2020 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.